Hello everyone and welcome to our next technical analysis review for the Euro US dollar pair. Today is April 11, 2012 and we are currently looking at price action on our 10-minute chart. And as you can see, during most of the Asian trading session, we saw an extension of this correction in price, this correction to the upside. There was strong euro buying that came in as Asian sovereigns stepped into the market and decided to prop up and keep the euro afloat to prevent it from falling even further. So then, of course, we saw Asian sovereigns come in and contribute to this correction in the market. Also, some of it could have been a result of some profit taking happening. So then this happened during the Asian trading session last night. So then we saw the euro rally from its session low at 30.67. It rallied 90 pips up to its session high around 31.55, and we see that this area around 31.55 was really a strong area of resistance. It was a strong zone of resistance, and this area was also a strong area of supply. And there were offers and orders positioned at this level that kept the currency pair well contained below this resistance. So of course we didn't see any gains extended above this resistance area because this was a strong area of supply, and there were offers to go short or short the euro US dollar pair at this area of resistance up here. But there was also low trading volume today, and this is due primarily to investors slowly returning after the Easter weekend. But on top of that, we had a poor German 10-year bond auction that had a low bid to cover ratio of 1.1, which is really just a measurement of the low demand for those particular bonds. So the auction didn't really meet its expected target or expectation. So, of course, during the second half of this trading day, it tested this 31.55 resistance zone, and we began to see more selling pressure on the euro US dollar kick in, and the euro US dollar fell and began to fall for the remainder of the trading day. And right now, it's currently consolidating above the 3100 psychological level. So then, one of the things I want to point out is this resistance again at 31.55, excuse me, and why it is so important. Let me go to the 1 hour chart so I can show you how to identify this area of supply. Now, if you look to the left, if you slide to the left around April 5th, you can see that there was this correction up into this zone or this area around 31.55 and 31.60. And from this area, you can see that there was strong selling pressure that came into the market, and the pair began to fall strongly. You can see it identified with the candlestick bodies. You can see that there were strong, large bodies within these candlesticks, which is really a sign and a picture of the momentum in the market and how there was strong selling pressure from this level. So of course, you can see that on today, price revisited this area of supply around 31.55, and we began to see the pair, sell from there. So then, of course, this would have been a good location to go short if you were in front of your platform, and you could have sold the euro US dollar pair at this area of resistance or this area of supply. So then let me go back to the 10-minute chart. So if I was in front of my platform at this time and saw price rally up to this level, then what I would have done, I could have entered a short position at about 31.50 on bearish confirmation, and I could have actually closed my trade or took my profit at the 31.20 area for about a 30 pip trade. Now, I also could have placed my order here and held out onto my trade, but if I would have held out, you can see how the pair bounced back up. So then I would have been prematurely stopped out of the trade, and I would have been at a break even. I would have prematurely been stopped out, and my trade would have resulted in a break even trade around 9:15 my time, which would be about 10:15 Eastern time. But since we were at this resistance zone again, or this area of supply, what I could have done, I could have re-entered the market upon bearish confirmation at this resistance and took my profit, held out into the trade and took my profit once the pair reached this 3100 psychological level for about a 50 pip trade. So of course, these were two entries you could have entered or placed around this area of resistance up here at 31.55. So then those are two entries right now. The pair is consolidating above the 3100 psychological level, and we are currently awaiting the direction of the breakout during the Asian trading session. But that's it for my technical analysis review for today, and I hope to see you guys on our live VIP trading webinar on tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Okay, bye.